Disney says its live-action Aladdin is set to cross the $1 billion box office mark today, about two-thirds of those ticket sales coming from overseas. Now, this is Disney's third film of the year to reach this billion-dollar box office mark, and it's the fifth live-action Disney-branded movie to do so, along with Beauty and the Beast, Alice in Wonderland, and two Pirates of the Caribbean films. Right now, take a look at those Disney shares up over 1%. They're within a percentage point from a fresh record high for that stock. Back over to you.
All right, Julia, Josh, you own Disney. You were saying a moment ago off air that it is the ultimate consumer stock. I can't imagine if you were building a portfolio of individual securities that you would not have Disney as a core holding.
Well, I think that's been the case for generations. And, the thing with Disney that I've said consistently, and I've always believed this, is that the technology will always change. You think about Steamboat Willie. This is a black and white, I guess, quasi-silent film. And then you've had all of these innovations in radio and TV, and then the computers, and then video game. And they don't always get it right on day one. And the Netflix deal they made in 2013, I think, was a stopgap measure until they figured out what they wanted to do with direct-to-consumer over-the-top streaming. And it probably wasn't a good deal for them because putting all their content gave Netflix this massive advantage and head start, and everyone had to have Netflix because, in part, Disney's films. So they figured that out sometime circa 2015, 2016. They've been working on this project, and now, this fall, you're going to find out how powerful this company is when it sets its mind to dominating the next phase of consumer media technology. And so I think there's a lot of excitement about that, but put it aside. Disney's a consumer business today. And they make money in so many ways from a situation where, like we saw this morning from the GDP report, 5.4% or 4.5% growth in consumer spending from the first quarter to second. It's tremendous for Disney. They're selling things to everyone at all times and not just here globally. So I think, if you want to own a stock that's got exposure to a strong consumer, you could do better than Disney maybe, but Disney's a no-brainer.